Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Asian Dialogue. Today, we have a pressing issue to discuss that has captured international attention. Recently, a serious incident occurred in the South China Sea involving the Philippines, China, and several other nations. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our updates. In a recent incident in the South China Sea, a China Coast Guard vessel collided with an armed forces of the Philippines contracted boat during a resupply mission to Ayungin Shoal. The collision was a result of dangerous maneuvers by the Chinese vessel, imperiling the safety of the crew on board the Filipino boat. Additionally, a Philippine Coast Guard vessel was bumped by a Chinese Maritime Militia vessel during the same mission. This incident has sparked international condemnation. The United States, Canada, France, the European Union, and the United Kingdom have all expressed deep concern over China's actions. These countries emphasized the importance of respecting international law, including the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, and called for a peaceful resolution to the escalating tensions in the region. The collision not only violated the Philippines' sovereign rights but also threatened the safety and security of the region. Such actions raise serious concerns about the freedom of navigation and the stability of the South China Sea. The international community must come together to uphold the principles of international law and ensure the safety of all vessels navigating these waters. As tensions escalate in the South China Sea, it is crucial for nations to work towards peaceful resolutions, respecting each other's sovereignty and adhering to international laws. We will continue to keep you updated on this developing situation. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and have a great day.
This video capturing the actual moment when the bow of Chinese Coast Guard ship 5203 hitting the starboard of Filipino supply boat MV Uniza May 2. In another video, those on board Uniza May feeling the jolt brought about by the collision with a Chinese vessel. The video also shows what appears to be a damaged part of the Filipino boat. In what is seen as a rare move, Beijing also releasing its own video to counter Manila's claims. In a statement, the China Coast Guard insists it was the Filipino boat that crossed the path of its ship despite repeated warnings. Manila also accusing a Chinese Maritime Militia vessel of bumping into the Philippine Coast Guard's BRP Cabra while sailing near Ayungin or 2nd Thomas Shoal.